everyone, this is Tara and I am back again with one more unboxing. Welcome you guys. As you all know that my channel is all about unboxing and reviewing handbag, jewelry, makeup, most of it is handbag, jewelry and watches, and I review all sort of things, and I love to share the joy of unboxing with my beautiful YouTube family. I have created, it looks like I have created a beautiful YouTube community who share, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So my videos is for all of you who love my unboxing. So even I feel good to share whatever I buy with my beautiful YouTube family. You guys are like my besties, like show what you got kind of friends you guys are. So today I am back again with one more unboxing. As you guys can see, as the name suggests, this is something from Bottega Veneta, and this is their most trending clutch these days. So let's not waste any more time and let's do the unboxing. So this clutch comes in this packet. So I like this detailing. The green packet looks cool, and the clutch is inside this packet. They have packed very beautifully. So let's go and unbox. So let me give you the background of this clutch. This clutch is the most trending item from the house of Bottega Veneta, and by the time this bag grew on me, few of its colors were already sold out. So we'll talk about that later. So first let's do the unboxing. So this is the cloth bag. This is the dust bag which they give with this clutch. Okay, oh my god guys, I'm so excited. So let me tell you something. I got a little confused in color between the fondant and the one which I got. So finally I got this one out of all the colors. So this is the most beautiful color, and this color gonna be their official color for 2025, you guys. So by the time this bag grew on me, most of the color got sold out, like emerald green and Barolo, that very beautiful burgundy color called Barolo. So I like Barolo, and maybe emerald green is not my color, but still that was beautiful one. By the time this bag grew on me, those colors were sold out, but eventually I picked up the most beautiful color. So let's go and do the unboxing. Oh my god, I'm so happy, you guys. Look at the color. And this color is called pinecone, you guys. This is the latest color. And my essay from Bottega, she told me that this is their official color for 2025. And I was confused between the fondant black and this one, and eventually I picked this one. Look at it guys. Inside you have already card holder kind of thing. You can put all your card here. It's sorted, you don't have to put card holder extra. So inside it's the tag and plenty of space, you guys. And this is the beauty of this clutch. This is a long clutch. Nowadays many brand is coming up with this kind of long clutch. First it was Hermes. Now recently I have seen in Christian Dior as well. So let me show you all. So this is how it goes inside, and this comes with this. This is how you put and close the bag. Quite fancy, huh? Okay, this is just a brand new piece. I have to get used to it, looks like. So this is how you close. Perfect. Okay, so this is how you close it. And look at the color, you guys. The name of the color is pinecone, and it comes with one handle. It does not have any separate strap, just this handle, and look at the leather, the smoothness and the color. I definitely feel that I picked up the best color and I am in love with this bag, you guys. So let's go and see what fits inside this beauty. So this beauty, why I chose this color, because this color I can take in my afternoon parties as well as in evening parties, and casually also whenever I'm wearing suit or something, I can wear this bag. So let's go and see what all fit inside this beauty. So a big size phone. I have this big size phone with me. It fits in easily, okay? And what we girls need, a beautiful lipstick. So this is my favorite shade, you guys. This shade is called First Dance from Charlotte Tilbury. And let's put one small size perfume. This is the perfume from Kayali. It fits in. And right now I'm wearing one, let me fit one more lipstick. Right now I'm wearing Honey Love from MAC. That lipstick also fits in. And lip liner. So this is the combo I'm wearing right now. This is Beige Turner lip liner and Honey Love lipstick. So all of it can fit easily. And card holder. This is my Louis Vuitton card holder with the charm. It looks so beautiful. Although you don't require a card holder because there are space for cards inside it. So let me see if it closes easily by now. So you have to organize your clutch. So let me see. Okay, fine. Okay, everything fits in properly, and this is how you close your clutch. Okay, so I have shown you what fits in. I have shown you the most beautiful color in the Andiamo clutch from Bottega Veneta, and I'm so happy with my purchase, you guys. And feel free to ask me any questions if you want. And thank you so much for watching. Maybe I'll post a review video after using this clutch for 6 months. So far I'm in love with this color, and I definitely chose the best color. Thank you so much for dropping by, and thank you so much for watching, everyone. That's it for today. And subscribe to my channel if you have not already for upcoming interesting unboxing. Lots of unboxing gonna come now. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. I love you all.